out a retelling of their first date, which we were both there for. Now, I'm going to hand it off to Amanda, and she'll let you know just exactly how this whole relationship is magical.
Oh my God!
If you've ever seen them. It's magical. How it started. So here goes Amanda.
Are they even listening? Where are they? Okay, so me and Tim, we're talking. And we're like... I'm not gonna fucking speaking. Okay, so we were talking and we were like, oh, Tim was like, I have this friend, he's like the best guy ever. And I was like, I know this girl's Sydney, like she's so sick-witted.
No, she's wasted. She only talks to the black girl and she's wasted.
But like, Sydney is seriously the best girl I know. Hey!
She's wasted.
So we went to the drive-in movies, and Sydney seriously was like the best girl I know, and like so sweet.
She's trying so hard to
like, I want to be with like a good guy, and I was like,
and I had this friend
I got a good guy for you. So we went to a drive-in movie, and Sydney and Zach basically fell in love. And that's why we're here today.
Well, here's how it really happened. Alright.
I can't handle this speech.
So Amanda said, do you got a good friend who can be with my girl Sydney? And she said, Sydney was the senior class president,
Oh shit.
super smart, totally outgoing. And I said, do I got a guy? His name's Zach. You can't tell. No.
I said my girl was better.
But then I was like, you can't tell because you can't tell right now because Zach's wearing a tuxedo. He's got a damn cannon under his right arm. And he marched us down against Brophy, and we took state that year, as far as I remember. Zach's also the smartest guy I know, by the way.
Just say yeah.
So listen. I digress. So we went to the drive-in movie. It was The Quantum of Solace. And for whatever reason, it was a drive-thru, by the way, a drive-in. They couldn't focus on the movie.
Okay, so me and Sydney went in the bathroom as girls do, and I was like, so girl, like, what do you think of this dude? And she's like, I don't know, like, he has a mohawk. And I was like, that's because he's going to win the state championships. And she's like, oh shit.
We beat Brophy that year.
Basically, the point of the story is we're the best, and we introduced them. Patrick! And they fell